Make sure the wall is dry, clean and smooth, without any old loose wallpaper or flakes of paint. Before ordering the wallpaper, measure the height and width of the wall. Please note, add at least 5 centimeters all the way around to allow for cutting. Remember that very absorbent surfaces should be sized and given a prime coating to produce an even color effect. Check that the wallpaper and measurements correspond with what you ordered. Sometimes a very wide wallpaper may have 2 separate rolls. The hanging instructions are printed on the first section of the roll. Cut this off and carefully read the instructions before you begin. Cut each strip off the roll where indicated by the scissors symbols. Line the strips up in the right order from left to right. This makes it easier when you hang the wallpaper. Each strip is marked with a number. It's essential to hang the first strip perfectly straight. Use a pencil to mark out the edge of the strip. Then hold a plumb line against the pencil mark and draw a straight vertical line slightly wider than the actual strip. This line ensures that your first strip is hung straight. Paste carefully in corners, along skirting boards and the ceiling. Roll the paste onto the wall, covering about 1.5 strip widths. It's important to apply the correct amount of paste. Watch our separate video guide on how to apply the correct amount of paste. You're now ready to start wallpapering. Begin with the first strip. Check the number printed on the strip. Always work from left to right. Align the first strip with the pencil line that you drew on the wall. Use a smoothing tool to press the wallpaper to the wall and remove any air bubbles. Use smooth, vertical strokes. Don't get paste on your tools. Make sure the strip is pasted down along all the edges. Cut off excess wallpaper and wipe away any paste residue. It's important to use a very sharp razor knife to avoid tearing the paper. Please note, try not to wipe paste off the wall where the next strip will be hung. Then continue with the second strip. Try not to get paste on the front of the wallpaper as you're lifting it towards the wall. It's very important to align the left-hand edge with the previous strip before pressing and smoothing the wallpaper onto the wall. Gently press the second strip to the edge of the first to ensure there's no gap. Then remove any excess paste using a damp sponge that has been lightly wrung out. It's important to remove paste straight away to prevent stains on the front of the wallpaper. Then continue working along the wall. Good luck with your wallpapering, and don't forget to watch our other video guides.